In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sales pipelines on Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clear, organized system to track every deal from first contact to close. Start by creating a new board. In Monday.com, a board is your workspace for one process, so click to add a new board and choose a blank layout. Name it Sales Pipeline. Clear, specific naming makes it easy for your team to find and understand the board's purpose at a glance. Next, set up your pipeline stages as groups. Groups act like big sections on your board, so create one for each step in your sales process: lead, contacted, qualified, proposal, and closed. This visual structure is what turns your board into a true pipeline. Keep the names simple and consistent with your team's terminology. If you like, you can assign distinct colors to each group to make progress more obvious as deals move along. Now add the columns that will hold the key details for each deal. Create a deal value column using the numbers format and set it to display your currency. This helps you instantly see the size of each opportunity. Add a status column to track health or action needed, such as on track, stalled, or awaiting response. For ownership, use the people column so it's always clear who's responsible. Add an expected close date with the date column to keep timelines front and center. Finally, include a priority column so you can quickly focus on the most important deals first. Keep your labels simple and mutually exclusive so your team can update them without confusion. With your structure in place, start entering deals as items. In the appropriate stage group, add an item and name it after the account or opportunity. Fill in deal value, set the status, assign the owner, choose the expected close date, and select a priority. Add brief, consistent descriptions in the item if you want context, like the product line or key contact, but keep it concise so the board stays scannable. As conversations progress, drag each item to the next stage group. This movement is the heartbeat of your pipeline. Encourage your team to update status, dates, and priorities as things change, so the board remains a reliable source of truth. If something slips, a quick scan of the priority and expected close date columns will show you what needs attention. That's your streamlined sales pipeline in Monday.com, a clear board, stage-based groups, essential columns, and items representing real deals moving toward the win.